When most people think about Linux distributions, they usually imagine popular names like Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, or Arch Linux. These operating systems dominate discussions because they are designed for everyday desktop users and offer a balance between usability and performance. But hidden behind these mainstream options is a Linux distribution that has quietly become one of the most important operating systems in the modern computing world. It powers countless containers, cloud servers, embedded systems, and security-focused deployments. That distribution is Alpine Linux. At first glance, Alpine Linux may not look impressive. It doesn't come packed with flashy software, pre-installed office suites, or a polished desktop environment. In fact, its installation image is incredibly small compared to most modern Linux distributions. While many operating systems require several gigabytes of storage just to get started, Alpine Linux can run comfortably with a fraction of those resources. Yet, despite its tiny size, it has earned a reputation as one of the fastest, lightest, and most secure Linux distributions available in 2026. The story of Alpine Linux is different from many other Linux projects. Instead of trying to provide everything out of the box, Alpine was designed with a clear philosophy: simplicity, security, and efficiency. Every component included in the system serves a purpose. There is very little unnecessary software, which means fewer resources are consumed and fewer vulnerabilities exist. This minimalistic approach has made Alpine Linux a favorite among developers, system administrators, and cybersecurity professionals around the world. One of the first things people notice about Alpine Linux is its incredibly small footprint. The base installation occupies only a tiny amount of disk space compared to mainstream Linux distributions. This allows Alpine to run on older hardware, virtual machines, cloud instances, and embedded devices with remarkable efficiency. Systems that struggle under heavier operating systems can often run Alpine Linux smoothly, giving aging hardware a second life without requiring expensive upgrades. Performance is another area where Alpine Linux shines. Because the system includes only essential components, there are fewer background services consuming CPU cycles and memory. This translates into faster boot times, quicker application launches, and a more responsive overall experience. Whether running on a small server, a lightweight laptop, or a cloud container, Alpine Linux consistently demonstrates excellent performance characteristics that make it attractive for resource-conscious environments. One of the key technical decisions that separates Alpine Linux from many other distributions is its use of BusyBox. BusyBox combines numerous standard Unix utilities into a single compact executable. Instead of installing dozens of separate programs, Alpine can provide essential system tools in a highly efficient package. This significantly reduces disk usage while maintaining compatibility with common Linux administration tasks. The result is a lean operating system that remains surprisingly capable despite its minimal size. Another major difference is Alpine's use of musl libc instead of the traditional GNU-C library found in most Linux distributions. Musl was designed with simplicity, correctness, and security in mind. It tends to produce smaller binaries and often results in lower resource consumption. While this can occasionally create compatibility challenges with software designed specifically for GNU libraries, the benefits of reduced complexity and improved reliability make musl an important part of Alpine's identity. Security is perhaps the area where Alpine Linux truly stands out. In today's world, cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, and every additional package installed on a system represents a potential attack surface. Alpine minimizes these risks by keeping the default installation extremely small. Fewer components mean fewer opportunities for attackers to exploit vulnerabilities. This security-first philosophy has made Alpine Linux a trusted choice for critical infrastructure and internet-facing services. The developers behind Alpine Linux have also implemented several security features by default. Many binaries are compiled with modern protection mechanisms designed to mitigate common attack techniques. Technologies such as position-independent executables and stack-smashing protection help make systems more resistant to exploitation. While no operating system can ever be perfectly secure, Alpine's focus on hardening and minimalism provides a strong foundation for building secure environments. Perhaps the biggest reason Alpine Linux became famous is its role in the container ecosystem. If you've ever worked with Docker containers, there's a good chance you've encountered Alpine Linux without even realizing it. Many container images are built on Alpine because of its incredibly small size. Smaller images download faster, consume less bandwidth, require less storage, and start more quickly. For organizations deploying thousands of containers, these advantages can result in significant savings and improved efficiency. Cloud computing has further amplified Alpine Linux's popularity. Modern infrastructure increasingly relies on microservices, containers, and lightweight virtual machines. In these environments, every megabyte matters. Alpine's ability to provide a fully functional Linux environment while maintaining a tiny footprint makes it an ideal foundation for cloud-native applications. This has helped Alpine become one of the most widely used Linux distributions behind the scenes of the Internet. Despite its reputation as a server and container operating system, Alpine Linux can also be used as a desktop environment. Installing a graphical interface requires more manual configuration than beginner-focused distributions, but the results can be impressive. Users who prioritize speed, efficiency, and control often enjoy building customized Alpine desktop systems tailored precisely to their needs. The experience may require more effort initially, but it offers an unparalleled level of flexibility. Package management on Alpine Linux is handled through APK, a lightweight and efficient package manager. APK is known for its speed and simplicity. Installing, updating, and removing software is straightforward, and repositories contain a large selection of applications. While the software ecosystem may not be as extensive as that of some larger distributions, most users will find everything necessary for development, administration, and general computing tasks. In 2026, Alpine Linux continues to evolve while remaining true to its original philosophy. New releases bring updated kernels, improved hardware support, enhanced security measures, and expanded package availability. Yet, the distribution has resisted the temptation to become bloated. This commitment to minimalism is one of the reasons Alpine maintains such a strong reputation among technical users who value efficiency over unnecessary complexity. For developers, Alpine Linux offers several compelling advantages. Faster container deployments, reduced storage requirements, lower memory consumption, and improved security all contribute to streamlined development workflows. Many modern DevOps pipelines rely on Alpine-based containers because they help reduce infrastructure costs while maintaining excellent performance. As software development increasingly moves toward cloud-native architectures, Alpine's relevance continues to grow. For system administrators, Alpine Linux provides a reliable platform that is easy to audit and maintain. The smaller codebase and reduced number of installed packages simplify troubleshooting and security reviews. Administrators can build systems that contain only the components required for specific workloads, minimizing risk while maximizing efficiency. This level of control is particularly valuable in enterprise and security-sensitive environments. Of course, Alpine Linux is not perfect for every situation. Beginners expecting a plug-and-play desktop experience may find the installation and configuration process more challenging than distributions designed specifically for newcomers. Some software may require additional adjustments due to Alpine's use of musl libc. However, for users willing to learn its unique approach, these challenges are often outweighed by the benefits of speed, security, and simplicity. What makes Alpine Linux truly remarkable is how much it accomplishes with so little. In an era where software often grows larger and more complex with every release, Alpine demonstrates that efficiency still matters. It proves that an operating system does not need gigabytes of resources to deliver outstanding performance, reliability, and security. Its minimalist design is not a limitation, but rather a deliberate engineering choice that enables exceptional results. As we move deeper into 2026, Alpine Linux remains one of the most influential Linux distributions in the technology industry. From powering cloud infrastructure and containerized applications to securing critical systems and reviving older hardware, its impact extends far beyond its small size. Whether you're a developer, system administrator, cybersecurity enthusiast, or simply someone curious about efficient computing, Alpine Linux represents a fascinating example of what can be achieved when simplicity, performance, and security are placed at the center of design. It may be one of the lightest Linux distributions available, but its influence on modern computing is anything but small.